Today we are going to be doing the crochet method of butterfly locks. So to begin, I'm going to start by detaching my hair and then I'll roll it. So I'm going to weave the hair on the rod or whatever you're using as your plug. And now with my crochet hook, I'm going to be using spring coils to achieve this. And these are spring coils made by me. If you haven't seen that video yet, then you can go check that out after watching these. I'll leave the link in the description. So now I'll detach and I'll pick out a little portion and I'll add to the reed as I roll through. So you always make sure your hair is fluffy to get that butterfly looks. So you always make sure you're rolling it lightly, not so tight, so you get that fluffy look you're aiming for. So by the time you're done, this is how your crochet method of butterfly locks should look like. And now I'm going to show you how to easily attach it on your hair without any hassle. So the first thing I'm going to do is to braid my hair, and now I'm just going to insert it on my hair gently. So as I put it inside the loop, I will just crochet my hair inside if it's longer, and depends on the length I am actually making for my hair. So you always want to make sure your locks are equal length or working towards sitting at equal length to make it look nicer and good looking. So after getting the lock rightly attached to my hair, I'm just going to go over with my spring coils as I crochet it on my hair and just roll it down to where my crochet stops. So always make sure your hair is braided before applying your crochet. So this is a very easy method because usually you want to use your cornrows or you want to have a fully braided hair before using your crochet, but as you can see, this is a very easy method to apply your crochet and have it looking nice and popping. So let me know what you think about this style in my comment section down below.